here's something else. Buy a pair of eyeglasses or prescription sunglasses, and we'll give you another pair free. Visit ProVision.com for a store near you.
It's no surprise that millions of Americans get married each year. But what might surprise you is that 2% of those newlyweds met on eHarmony. Find something more meaningful from your first date onward. Try eHarmony.com today and review all your matches free.
Now get free delivery of Walmart's $10 90-day generic prescriptions, no matter where you live. Plus, get free shipping on over 3,000 other prescriptions. Call 1-800-2-REFILL for your free home delivery. Save money, live better, Walmart.
This morning, Caleb asked me, Mommy, who's your Valentine?
Fucking
I said,
so
Daddy, of
hard.
course. He said, no, Daddy doesn't count. You know, your Valentine is who you want to sit by, or who you get in trouble with, who you tell your secrets to, who you play with at recess. They said, well, that's Daddy too.
That
This
hard.